Hey team, Captain here. In this video, I'm going to highlight the loot from 100 Ancient Tunnel runs. I'm using a Blizzard Sork that also uses Orb with a Talrasha set. I think my magic find's about 250 or so. Only doing 100 runs because that's all I really have time for in a week. So I'll be highlighting those drops. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Ooh, a Ral. Ral rune, I'll take it. Some, whatever you can pronounce it. Weird dagger. Meh. Ooh, jewel. Nope. Oh. Ah, trash. Oh. Force like a flail. And a, what do you call it thing? Druid thing. No, it's not the druid thing. I don't even know what would use that. Whatever.
I can't.
Grizzly. What do I put in here? Oh. Get rid of that later. Force like a flail. To win. I don't even know what this is. Oh. Yeah, I got that one time. Ooh. Let's see what those gloves are. Back up. Back up. Ah, bummer. Ral rune. Those Natalius. Probably. Out of here. Oh, Mortal Kings. Small charm. I'll take it. Ooh. Some. But what? Grand charm. Tusk sword. Oh, bro, field plate. Not even a little cool. Watch it. What's the part about this thing? Oh, bro, a full helm. Not even gonna touch it. My goodness. Raining small charms, man. Get out of here. Get out of here. Raw. Row. Take it. Oh, hoo hoo hoo. Ooh. Ooh, I can't even touch it. Nervous. Getting such trash. I'm just gonna kick all these. There is Lucky. Oh, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Okay. Alright. There we go. Cool part about this game is whenever it gets you down, it just gives you a little bit. Just like that little hit of Diablo dopamine. Not there. No. It's a lame bow. The rogue's bow. I mean, kinda cool. Courtroom. Socketed like a plate. Whoa, bro. Ooh. What does that do? Better to start with a C. Would have been cool. Behind a blessed light. Oh, the OG Godfather. Good in the year 2001. Is the Godfather? Let's check. Oh, my bad. The Sword God. That's unique. Oh, rare ring. Ah, what? Screwed. Alright, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Do me good. Bison hard. Come on. What? Look at the shield and the full helm. I think I'm like in the game. Oops. Wow. Really? Ooh. Rare amulet. Come on, baby. Diablo hates me tonight. Thought I heard those drop. They suck though. Ooh, Thol. Ooh, Soul Room. Something good. This dude. Nope. Ooh. Something good, something good. Hmm? No. Ooh. Give me something good. No. Right off the bat. Another trash ring. Jewel. Oh, like I broke it. Nope, we're back. Wow. Lame. What do we got? Mila Breakers. Sure. Which one's this? Death's Touch. Cool in 2001. Light blue boots. That's Let's get some tri-res. No, not even close. Circlet. Come on, boy. Amazon res. What is this? Wannins. Spell do. 12 strength. Whoa. Ooh. Nice. Oh, life, attack rating, cold res. Could have been better, I feel like. Nope, trash. Needs increase attack speed. Some boosts. Triple reds. Magic Mind. Something else cool.
I can't carry anymore.
No. What? Tiara. Let's see it. I'll give it away. Ice and Hearts. I swear. Trying to haunt me. Or they're trying to tell me something. Time to be a Fist of Heaven's paladin. Grand Charm. I like that. Ooh, a saber. Skewer of Krintez. See that thing drop. Three would have been cool. Take it though. We'll take it. Nah. Alders. Increase attack speed, attack rating, strength. No skills though. Ooh, there we go. No, that was horrible. And that concludes 100 runs. I didn't get that many good drops, to be honest. A couple good bases. Ethereal Giant Thresher. Ethereal Colossus Volge. Some lower runes. Not much. The randomness of Diablo was not profitable for me in these 100 runs. But still fun.